Course navigation is very intuitive and easy to follow. After launching the course, select the Start Here button on the initial screen of the course, where you'll access the course content. You can view all of the topics on the sidebar and select any specific topic, and if you want to return to the initial screen, simply select the logo on the top left of the course. If by chance you don't complete the course on the first go, you can continue where you left off by selecting the Resume button after launching the course for the RAU portal. You can also pick a topic from the initial screen, or once the course has been started, select a topic from the menu bar. The menu bar can also be hidden or made visible, again by selecting the menu icon. The default visibility might change depending on the type of device you are using to access the course. Are you looking for something more specific? Then simply select the search button on the logo and type the term you are looking for. You can exit the course at any time using the Exit Course link, which is always available on the top right of the course interface. Good luck!